Okay, so this is today's wind. It's been happening quite often. There's windstorms here. Most of the sounds you'll hear are the house, because it's a traditional Japanese house. The the windows and things aren't completely like sealed in, so the doors move. I have a pair of socks stuffed in my door right now, just to keep the door from banging in the frame. And yeah, the wind is pretty strong usually here. It was like this when we were in Nagoya in the hotel in my first video for that, even though that wasn't as noticeable because it was more darker. And of course, now that I want to tape it, the wind has died. So I might end up doing this in 2 videos. Oh, there we go.